Huawei Mate60Pro expert verdict. Huawei Mate60Pro price in Pakistan is expected to be from 112,747 Pakistani rupees. This mobile is rumored to be an excellent phone with high silicon Kirin 995 7 nanometers processor, 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of storage. Design and display. Huawei Mate60Pro is expected to have a screen size of 6.62 inches, 84.2% screen-to-body ratio and weighing approximately 196 grams. This mobile will run on Android 11 and will have a decent resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, 19.5:9 ratio. Performance. Huawei Mate60Pro packs high silicon Kirin 995 7 nanometers processor and it will have octa-core 2x2.86 GHz Cortex-A76 and 2x2.36 GHz Cortex-A76 and 4x1.95 GHz Cortex-A55 CPU and Mali G76 MP16 GPU. Camera. In terms of camera, this model is supposed to come up with rear camera of 64 megapixels and front camera of 32 megapixels wide. Other camera features include Leica optics, dual LED dual-tone flash, panorama, HDR. Network and connectivity. In connectivity, this model will include Edge, GPRS, 2G, 4G, 5G. Different network support available for the 3 grams, HSDPA 859/100ths, 1900 and 2100ths. Other features. Sensors included in Huawei Mate60Pro are Face ID, fingerprint, under display, optical, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, barometer, compass.